Welcome, photography enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring a compact camera that's making waves in the world of digital photography. This camera is gaining attention for its balance of quality, size, and user-friendliness. Join us as we delve into what makes this camera a noteworthy choice for both beginners and seasoned photographers. And remember, you can find this camera through our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. One of the camera's most praised features is its compact design. It's lightweight and small enough to fit in your pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go photography. Users love its simplicity and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for beginners or those looking for a straightforward photography experience without the bulk of traditional DSLRs. When it comes to image and video quality, this camera doesn't disappoint. It captures clear and vibrant photos, and its video quality is particularly praised for its crispness and sound clarity. It's a great tool for vloggers and content creators, especially for capturing evening or low-light scenes. This camera also stands out for its connectivity features. Its easy integration with smartphones and remote capture capability is a huge plus for users who want to easily share their photos and videos online. The camera's interface may seem a bit dated, but it's straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring a hassle-free photography experience. However, every product has its downsides. Some users have reported issues like overheating, which can be a concern for prolonged use. Additionally, while the camera offers great video quality, its stabilization could be better, and the lack of a zoom function on the basic lens might limit some types of photography. In conclusion, this compact camera is a solid choice for those looking for a blend of convenience, quality, and simplicity in their photography journey. Whether you're starting a vlog, capturing travel memories, or just want a reliable camera for everyday use, this camera is worth considering. To get your hands on this compact gem, check out our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. Elevate your photography experience with this user-friendly, compact camera today.